Yes. Okay. As part of our last class, we discussed about collections and we discussed about array list and linked list, correct?
Yes.
So basically in the list we discussed about array list and linked list.
Yes.
Okay. So we will discuss today about vector. So vector also is part of list.
Yes.
So then what is the difference between this list and vector? So vector is a synchronized, basically synchronized meaning, so say for instance if 100 people are trying to add elements into the vector, so then they can able to add one by one.
Okay.
So everybody is not able to add at a time together. It's like a sequence, one by one should need to follow. but
Okay.
where, whereas array list and linked list, so more people can add at a time together, so their data may be corrupted. There is a chance for data corruption. But whereas in case of
Mm-hmm.
vector, it cannot be. So only one people can able to add at a time.
Mm-hmm.
So data will not be corrupted, and vector is slow, whereas array list and linked list is fast. Why? Because more people can able to add data, right?
Yes.
But vector what it will do? It will not allow more users. So it will allow one by one. Thus, because of that, it becomes very slow.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, now inside list I am going to write a simple example for vector.
Okay.
Vector. First I will create an object for vector. Vector. So vector also is part of java.util. And after that vector v equal to new vector. So if you see the way v dot add,
Mm-hmm.
here I can able to add either numbers or arrays. I can able to add a string or anything I can able to add. If I want to add only character, I can able to add. If I want to add single character, I can able to add. If I want to add number, I can able to add. So I can able to add and I can able to print the values.
Mm-hmm.
So let me open the add method, how they implement it. So if you see here, right, add, so it is a synchronized. But whereas in case of array list, linked list, add methods are not synchronized.
Okay.
So that is the basic difference between this array list, linked list and vector.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is important question actually. So what is the difference
Okay.
between this array list and vector? Vector is synchronized and this array list and linked list are not synchronized. So vector
Mm-hmm.
is very slow and list and array list are very fast.
Okay.
And in vector data will not corrupt, whereas in case of array list or linked list data may corrupt.
Uh-huh.
So these are the
Okay.
some of the differences between this list and vector.
Mm-hmm.
This is clear, right?
Yes.
So inside the list we have a array list and the second one is linked list and third one is vector.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, inside the list, how the order of the elements. So whatever the way you are giving the elements in the same order, it will display.
Okay.
Let me run, and the elements will be displayed in the same order. How you are adding the elements in the same order, it will display. So first I
Mm-hmm.
have included string 12
12.
C 456, correct? Same
Mm-hmm.
order, right? And in the same way, if you go for linked list, it will display the elements in the same order. See, 10, 40, 20, ABC, 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 correct?
Mm-hmm.
And also it will take duplicates. Did you see this one?
Yes.
It is taking duplicates. So
Mm-hmm.
list will take duplicates and it will give the elements in a sequence order. Whatever the order we provided, in the same sequence it will give back.
Mm-hmm.
Now we will see the,
What type of links are taking duplicates? No.
it will take,
No.
it
Mm.
will take duplicates.
Okay.
List will take duplicates and it will give the elements in the same sequence.
Okay. Okay.
Now we will see the second one, set.
Okay.
So same order. So whatever the way you are giving the elements, in it will give same order and it allows duplicates.
Mm-hmm.
Now the second topic is set. Set will not allow duplicates.
Mm-hmm.
Set will not allow duplicates. So we will see this
Mm-hmm.
example. Okay, set also interface, and it was implemented by three different classes. Okay,
Okay.
let me write a simple example.
Mm-hmm.
So set is an interface and it was implemented by three different classes. So the first one is hash set. So set set equal to new hash set. So hash set is a class, okay, and set is a interface. Set is a super interface.
Uh,
So this is a super class and this is a
uh-huh.
subclass. So I am assigning subclass to superclass. Correct?
Oh, okay.
So set is a interface and hash set is a class. So let me add
Mm-hmm.
some elements. Set dot add. So here what I will do, ABC I am trying to add three times.
Mm-hmm.
So after that I am adding some XYZ two times,
Okay.
and
Mm-hmm.
set dot add, I'm adding some other number, some random numbers. Let me
Mm-hmm.
add here, add. So let me add 356 and let me add here 656.
Okay.
Set. So did you see this one?
Okay.
There is some duplicates are there, correct?
Yes.
Okay, now let me run, and how it will be display the elements. Did you see this one?
Yes, there
So
is no duplicate.
yes, so set will not allow duplicates. So that is one of the major difference between list and set. So this is a very important question.
Okay.
So set
And the
is,
order of the results could be
yes,
anything,
other
right?
of the readers you cannot expect. So it may give some random order.
Okay, okay.
Did you see this one? It's a 656 it's given,
Mm-hmm.
but 656 is the last element what we added,
Mm-hmm.
and ABC is the first element, but it became the second element. So order cannot be protected in hash set.
Okay,
Say for
makes sense.
instance, if at all if you want to maintain the order, the same order how you want to add the elements plus avoiding the duplicates, we have to go for linked hash set. There is another class implemented the set interface. So
Okay,
here we have the first one is hash set and the second one is linked hash set. So
and linked, right?
linked hash set will give the elements in the same order. However you added, it will give the same order.
Oh,
Whereas in case of hash set, you are not able to predict the order.
okay, makes sense.
Now I will give the example for linked hash set.
Mm-hmm.
So I will copy the elements same as like the previous one. Let's see how the order will display
Okay.
so that we can able to compare very easily. So instead of hash set, I am going to create
Mm-hmm.
linked
Link.
hash linked hash set. So linked hash set, and let me print the values and we will see the order of the display elements. Did you see the order how it's displaying? First ABC, right? After that XYZ,
Mm-hmm.
after that 456 and 356, 656.
Mm-hmm.
So order is same as what we added the elements, correct?
Yes, but it's not like random. It's
Yes.
they're
If
following the. Yeah.
hash set will give the elements in a random order, whereas a linked hash set will give the elements in the same order whatever we added.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the basic difference between hash set and linked hash set. It's
Mm-hmm.
clear. This is clear, right? These two.
Yes.
Okay. Now there is another one is there, tree set. So why we need tree set? Okay, let me create another class. So tree set also is another class and it's implemented by set interface.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let me give an example of tree set. So this is a tree set. I am trying to add some random numbers. 1
Okay.
and 552, and I am trying to add one string as well. I'm trying to add one string. So let me add so some random numbers and some string I have included, and now let me print the values how it will display.
Mm-hmm.
Set Okay, now let me print the values. Did you see that there is an error over here? There is an exception. So this is another
Okay.
exception. So far we discussed three exceptions, correct?
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
array and arithmetic exception, array index, and class not found. So the new exception is class cast exception. So what does this mean? Why we are getting this one? So the specialty of tree set is what are the elements you are trying to give. It will try to sort the element.
Okay.
It will try to sort the elements in ascending order.
Okay.
But you are giving both number and string.
String.
So we are not able to sort it, correct?
Okay.
Whether you give numbers or string, one
Mm-hmm.
category. Don't give more.
Mm-hmm.
Don't give both.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Then we are not able to compare, correct?
Yes.
Say for instance, if you have euros and dollars, which one is more? So you cannot tell, right? Exactly. 10 euros and
Mm-hmm.
$10. Which one is more? Which one is less?
Mm-hmm.
So you need to convert everything in one type. Either
Yeah.
convert the
Mm-hmm.
euros into dollars or dollars into euros. Then only you can able to compare it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
Yes.
So 10 euros and $10 are not equal, even though numbers are equal,
Yes.
but it is not equal. We need to convert into one data type and one currency, then only you can able to compare, correct?
Mm-hmm.
In the similar way here, either convert this string into, now everything is number, right?
Yes.
Now let me try to print the values, what will happen. Did you see any change over here?
No.
Okay,
As it is.
let me add, so this is a bigger number and let me add, this is a very small number. Now it's in some random order. Now let me run and yes. Did you see this one? Did you notice any change over here?
Yeah. Started with the small number.
Oh, meaning it is in a random order. Sorry, it's in
Random.
ascending order. Ascending order.
Ascending.
So what are the elements you are trying to add? It will try to display with an ascending order.
Yeah.
Similarly, if at all if you want to add string, so you need to add all strings only. You should not add mixer like a both string and number you should not add. Did you see this one? So it is not taking
Yes.
duplicates, it displaying only one thing. Now let me add this one is a DBC something. Now let me print the elements. So it will display two elements. Yes, did you see this one? It's in ascending order, right?
Yes.
So whether you can add number or character. You should not add mixer. If you add mix, you will get class cast exception.
Mhm. Yes. Correct.
So that is the three classes available under set.
Mm-hmm.
It is
Yes.
clear, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, now there is another one called map. So map will take the elements. What is the difference between map, list and set? So map will take the element as part of key, comma, value. So every element whatever you are trying to add, so it should be in a format of key, comma, value.
Okay.
So key, comma, value.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let me create a simple example. Okay. Now if you see this one, right,
Yes.
we have just I created a simple class called hash map demo. So map also is an interface.
Mhm.
Map also is an interface. So this interface got implemented by three classes. The first one is hash map. So wherever you will see hash, right?
Yes.
So wherever you will see hash, hash means the order you are not able to predict.
Okay.
So now let me create map equal to hash map. Map equal to new hash map. So how to add the elements? Map dot put. So here we don't have
Mhm.
add. Here we have a method called put. So call the
Okay.
method, and the first one is key and the second one is value. The first one
Value.
is key and second one is value. Say for instance
Mm-hmm.
the first one is student number and the second one is student name.
Mm. Okay.
So key by value. So
Mm-hmm.
like that you can add n number of keys,
Uh-huh.
DEF, and they will assume this is a 13 student, assume this is a 17, and PQ, or assume this is 100, and assume here I am passing as a null, and assume here there is another student which is having null as a input, null as a key. Did you see there I
Oh,
am
we think
adding?
it's null, right?
Yes, it will take actually. So just that's
Oh,
what I want to do. Now I'm giving ABC, don't give ABC, XYZ, and let me give this one as a some. So did you see that key can be anything, either
it
it
can
can
be
be a
anything.
number or a string
Uh-huh.
or null.
Uh-huh.
Let me print the
Okay.
values whether it will display or not. Did you see this one? So everything is displaying, there is no exception. But the
Yes.
observation points over here is, so 12 how many times is there here?
Two times.
So but if you see here, right, key equal to value here, so 12 equal to ABC, we see only one time.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
So duplicate of keys will not be allowed over here. Key must be unique.
Oh, I see.
Say for instance if you are trying to add duplicates, what will happen? Which one it will take? So key
See,
12 ABC1, 12 ABC2. So let me run and we will see which ABC1 it will display or ABC2 it will display.
ABC two. Yes.
So it will
ABC two.
override. It will take the latest one. It will ignore the previous values.
Mm.
So key must be unique, and key can be null or key can be anything.
Uh-huh. But ABC two is the value, right?
ABC2 is a value, correct? Yes. 12 is the
Okay.
key. Key equal to value here. The order in
Okay.
notation.
Okay. Makes sense.
So key must be unique and key can be anything. Key must be null also.
Okay.
And the order we cannot predict it because this is a
Okay.
hash. Correct?
Yes.
Did you see that null equal to null? Why? Because null we added as part of the last before element.
Mm-hmm.
After that 17 it's displaying. So order we cannot predict in case of hash map.
Okay.
It's clear, right? This hash map.
Yes.
So key must be unique, key must be anything, and key must be null also. Values must be null also.
Okay.
And if we okay, that one more difference is that I will tell you later. It's clear, right? This one.
Yes.
Okay, now there is another. Yes, so there is another class is available called list hash map. Sorry, linked hash map. So linked means
Okay.
we can able to predict the order. Hash means you cannot predict the order. You are not able to.
Linked map or under map. Okay.
Yes, under map another class called linked hash map.
Linked.
LINKED linked hash map. So this is another class available under map.
Map.
Linked hash map.
Mhm.
So linked hash map.
Mhm. Sorry, what was the last one we just did? Hash map, right?
The previous one is hash map. Yes. Hash
Okay.
map means you are not able to predict the order.
Okay.
Whereas in case of linked hash map, you can able to predict the order.
Okay.
Wherever you will see link, you can able to predict. Wherever you will say hash, you are not able to predict the order.
Mhm.
So now let me add the elements same as like a previous one. Let me copy as it is so that we can able to compare the difference if we take same elements. Okay. Now,
Mhm.
so now I added same elements like a previous one. So now let me run
Okay.
and we will display the elements how it will be displayed. Did you see this one? Did you see the order is same or different?
12, 13, 17, 100. Yes. Yes.
Order is same, right?
Mhm. Yes.
And key must be unique. Key it will not take duplicates and order is same and it will take null as a key and value also key.
Uh-huh. Yes.
So
Correct.
that is the basic difference between hash map
Mhm.
and linked hash map. It is clear, right? This one.
Yes.
Okay, now there is another and last class available in inside the map is tree map.
Mm.
So what is the purpose of
Oh,
tree map? So it will sort the elements. It will sort the keys.
map. So what's the main difference between map and set? It's almost similar.
The
Just
map.
the keyword is different.
So map will take only one element. Sorry, set will take one element, whereas map will take key value.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Correct?
Yes.
So here all the elements we have to give input as a key comma value.
Okay.
Okay, now let me add same elements, the previous one. What will happen? Whether it will take or not. So the elements is same like a previous one. So what is the purpose of tree map? It will sort the all the keys. It will try to sort the keys. So now let me run it whether it can able to sort or not. Did you see this one?
Error.
So
No?
error, yes, it is an error. So let me comment out null value and let me run it. After that, what you say? Class cast exception. Why?
Class test exception.
Because
Because it's a
it
mixed
is trying to
class.
sort the keys you are entering.
But there is a string value
Yes.
in it.
So it will talk. It will not take null one point, and it
Uh-huh.
the values must be key must be same data type,
Number.
either number or string.
Okay.
So now let me run it. Yes, did you see this one now? 12, 13, 17, 100.
Okay.
It is in sorting order, correct?
Mm-hmm.
The tree map will not take null as a key, and all the
Mm-hmm.
elements should be in a same type or same base type.
Okay.
So this is the one of the difference between hash map, linked hash map and tree map.
Okay.
It is clear, right?
Yeah, it's clear. It's not that hard, but you just have to remember
Yes,
the
yes, you have to remember that words. Maybe you can make in a tabular format,
yeah.
then we can able to remember. But there is no, only thing is we need to understand the differences only. The way of adding the elements is same, add, put.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I will tell you. So we have a list, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So array list, linked list. So how to iterate the elements? If at all, if you want to see the elements one by one, so how to iterate it? So to iterate a list, we have a concept called iterator. So inside the list object, there is a method called iterator.
It's only with the list object, right?
Yes,
What did you say this?
it is available only with list object.
Okay. 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 I see.
So iterator it equal to al dot iterator, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So how to iterate it? So we have to write a while loop it dot has next it dot next. So this is the way to iterate the elements. So I am commenting the first display elements. Now I am trying to iterate the elements one by one by using iterator. So iterator is the interface, and how we will get that one?
Mm-hmm. By using a while loop.
Yes, al dot iterator. Then we have to call these two methods has next. So if there is a element, then it will give true, and by
Mm-hmm.
calling next we will get that particular element. So like that you keep on iterate from starting to till ending.
Uh-huh. No, no, hold. Has next is a method, right? You
Yes,
typed it manually, right?
has
Okay.
next is a method, is inbuilt method available in iterator, and it will give boolean value true or false. If element is there, it will give true,
Mm-hmm.
true, true, true till it will give true. At the next one, if you, whenever you are trying, here there is no element, so it will give false. So then it will come out of the, it will come out from the while loop.
Okay.
Okay, now let me run and I will show you the elements. Did you see this one? I can able to
Mm-hmm.
print all the elements. 10, 40, 20, ABC, ABC, ABC.
Okay.
This is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, now what I want to do, I want to, elements are available inside the list. But what
Uh-huh.
I want to sort the elements.
Okay.
I want to sort the
Uh,
elements. Can I able to sort this one? So I want to sort these
yes.
elements. So it is in say for instance, so this is 80. So it is not in a sequence order, correct?
Not in a sequence, and it is both
It is in some
frequency.
random order. Okay, okay. But I want to display these elements in a sequence order. So how to sort that one? Okay, to sort the list elements, we have to use, there is an interface called collections. So here we need to pass AL. So collections is the interface, and inside that you can, there is a method called sort. After that, try to display the elements, and let me, so it will give you a problem, class cast exception. Why? Because we are not able to sort numbers and strings, correct?
Yes.
So that is the problem. So let me write this example in a different class. So sorting list demo. So how to sort the list of elements?
Mm-hmm.
So list equal to new new array list. So here I want to add some random numbers. Add 12, and let me add some 5 6 numbers. This is 922, 122, 6. Okay, they are in random numbers. They are in random nature, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So I want to sort the elements. So if I'll print directly, it will display as it is, correct?
Yes.
Okay, did you see this one? It's in same order. Whatever the order I have included, it
Uh-huh.
is displaying in same order. But I'm expecting this element should be in a sequence order, meaning in a ascending order. So how to sort
Okay.
that one? So to sort the list elements, we have an interface called
Collection.
collections dot sort. So you can call this a collections dot sort and pass the list of elements what you want to sort it and print the values.
Mm-hmm.
So did you see this one? How the elements looks like as part of second printout?
Yes.
It is
It's an
sorted, right?
extending. Yeah.
So like that you can define either strings or numbers. It will sort the elements.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Is
Correct?
it possible to use the same collection method with descending orders, or no? It's not possible. I'm
With
just curious.
with
Yeah, descending orders.
you want to sort the elements in a descending order, right?
Yeah,
Yes, it can
if
be
it is
possible.
possible.
I think yes, it is possible. Um, Reverse this one. Did you see this one?
Oh, reverse is that word. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
I think it will work. Okay, let me try it out. I never tried. Okay, let me run. I'm expecting you should display in a.
239. Yes.
Mm,
Yes, it works.
think it is. Does it display in reverse order?
Yes, 23, 823. Yes, it works.
Sending sort. Okay, let me pass here true or false. Okay, now you want to sort elements in ascending order or descending order, and you want to sort the elements, right? So I will tell you in a different
Mm-hmm.
way how to. Okay, now this is fine. If you have numbers or
This is fine.
if you have,
Mm-hmm.
if the number is there in a uh, if we can able to add the elements in the number or string, we can able to sort it. Say for instance, instead of number I want to add a student class.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, sort list demo. So what I want to do, I want to create a student class.
Mm-hmm.
See here what I want to do, I want to create a student class.
Yeah.
Student. So inside the student, integer, roll number and the string name, and I want to create a constructor and with two arguments, and let me create a constructor, right click source and come to
Uh-huh.
generate constructor using this field, select this one and
Okay.
finish it. So
All
constructor
right.
is there. So how I want to assign the value? By using the constructor. Let me create an object first.
So you just right click and then hit
Correct.
the
Source.
constructor thing.
So you want to
Okay.
see the steps, how it will do. Right click source
Uh-huh.
and go to the option generate constructor using these fields.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Then you will get all the fields and click OK. So this
Uh-huh.
constructor will generate automatically.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, whenever you are creating the student object, we have to pass roll number, comma, student name. In the
Mm-hmm.
similar way, I am trying to create some four students, and the element must be 9 and 3, 34 and 71. So some random order, correct? Student numbers are in a different order. And let me give some different student name. Okay, so different student numbers and different names, correct? Now I
Yes.
want to add this to list.
Now I have a question.
Yeah,
Can you explain that this thing again, PHIS?
which one?
We create a class. Under the class, we create a constructor. Then
Yes.
below THIS this. Uh,
Oh, this one, right? I removed. What is the purpose of this, So if you call this dot super,
uh-huh.
not like this. So what is the purpose of this super? Oh, you are asking. So this one, right? This dot roll number, correct?
Yes.
Okay, what is the meaning?
Uh,
I'll tell you. So here we have an arguments, correct?
mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
Argument name and your global argument. This is a local variables, and these are the
mm-hmm.
global variables, correct? So you are
Okay.
assigning this local variable to global variable, but
Okay.
names are same. But if we
Same.
say directly roll number equal to roll number, it will not allow. So which one
Tick.
is local and which one is global here? So
Global is the top, local is the bottom.
but names are the same. No, how we can able to differentiate? So we are not able to just to differentiate this one. So this means, so this is a global variable, so this one.
This refers to global,
Yes,
right?
and
Global
directly
variable.
whenever we are assigning, this is a local variable.
Okay.
So that is the difference, that is the use of keyword. If at all if you want to differentiate two variables with same name, so
Mhm.
then we have to use this keyword.
Yes, this keyword.
Clear, right?
Yes.
And now I created four student objects and with different values. Okay, four student object with different values.
Mhm.
Oh, you sent a message? Hello, hi Samir.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't see your message.
Yes.
I saw just now.
Oh, that's fine. I was kind of
Oh,
tired. That's why.
okay,
It's
okay. I
okay.
didn't see your message. Just now I saw your WhatsApp message. Okay,
That's fine.
okay, okay. Now,
Uh-huh.
student
Uh-huh.
S1, we created four students, and let
Yes.
me add that objects list dot
Yes.
S1, S1 and S2 and S3 and S4. I'm expecting, I want to sort the student elements. I want to, okay, before sorting all those things,
Mhm.
let me print the values. If I print the values, can you able to see the student values over here?
No.
We are not able to see the student values, like roll number, name, we are not able to see over here, correct?
Yes.
To see the values whenever we are printing an objects, so we have to override a method called toString. It is available under student class. So
Oh,
every class is a subclass of object class.
okay.
So object is a superclass by default, whether
Mm-hmm.
you if you are keeping the statement or not,
Mm-hmm.
same. If I remove also same, whether if I am keeping the statement also, doesn't make any difference. So inside the object class there is a method called toString.
So
So we
you are
have to,
seeing by default every class
every class is
extends.
subclass of student class.
Yes.
Okay, every class is subclass of
Object.
object class.
Mm-hmm.
So inside the object, so there is a method called toString. So we have to override that one. So how to override it? So just right click here and go to
Mm-hmm.
source and go to, did you see this one, generate toString?
Mm-hmm.
So just select that one and finish it. So now toString is overridden in your student class, and now try to run the main method. Did you see this one now?
Yes. Roll
No.
number,
Now we can able to
name.
see the student values.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm expecting the student values should be in ascending order based on the roll number. So first,
Okay.
right now it's displaying 934 and 371
Mm-hmm.
and 34. They are not in ascending order, right?
Mm-hmm. No.
So I want to sort this one, and first I'm expecting first student should be roll number 34.
Okay.
So how to sort these kind of elements? So that we will see later.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, we will connect
Okay.
tomorrow.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah, thanks.